From Wellborn Cabinet, this modern glam kitchen features an open floor plan that provides function and simplifies any lifestyle. Filled with modern technology, this kitchen is suitable for entertaining and easy to keep clean, with every item having its place, like this push-to-open wall cabinet that allows easy access to the hood above your stove. With a simple push of a button, this top hinge cabinet closes to bring focus back to the clean continuity of the surrounding cabinetry. Coordinating 3 different door styles from Wellborn Cabinet's Aspire Full Access Frameless series, this kitchen brings the best of an at-home feel using the warmth of the colors while adding the luxury of modern features with a touch of flair. Adding to the streamlined look of this kitchen is the push-to-open technology. This allows easy access to the cabinet interior by gently pressing on the front of the door you want to open. The gray smoky walnut Morristown door style is adorned with gold hardware to coordinate with the high-gloss gold Midtown door style on the island. At Wellborn Cabinet, we understand that those necessary appliances can sometimes hinder design aesthetic. On the kitchen island, our Midtown door is used to conceal the smart dishwasher. This creates a look that's clean, stylish, and streamlined. This cabinet features Wellborn's Morristown door style and is customized with our U-shaped metal tray dividers. These dividers are adjustable to accommodate cutting boards, baking racks, and cooking sheets. This superior undersink caddy is the perfect solution for organizing cleaning supplies, and the gray drip tray underneath is not only easy to clean, but resistant to most household chemicals. With this space saver, you can quickly separate the trash from the recycling. You can also dispose of waste while standing at a workstation instead of running across the kitchen hoping you don't drip every step of the way. The push-to-open gray Serenity reflective glass doors perfectly complement the smoky walnut finish of the surrounding cabinetry. The upper cabinetry on both sides of the range hood feature easy access dynamic shelving. These innovative pull-down shelves optimize storage space and eliminate the need for a stepping stool when accessing hard-to-reach items. All of the drawers on the island also feature push-to-open technology, as well as our convenient soft close feature. Wellborn Cabinet's custom oven cutout program ensures that this oven fits perfectly. Using specialized Gola satin nickel hardware for ease of opening, the doors on the front of the island provide a soft close and have a polished, elegant look. For more information about this modern glam kitchen, as well as many other products, please visit our website at www.wellborn.com.